Hello everyone. Republic Day is a remarkable day in the history of India, as the day when finally the Constitution of India came into effect on January 26, 1950. So as a teacher, it's bring a lot of challenge for us how to celebrate this day with great enthusiasm within our online classes with our students. So hello everyone, my name is Manju and today I'm going to present 7 game-based activities ideas which you can easily conduct in your online class. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe my channel by pressing notification bell. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Game number 1, match the slogans. This game in which participants have to match maximum slogans with freedom fighters' name who said it. So for playing this game, share the page to the participants. Participants now have to match the slogans with the freedom fighters' name who said it. Examples: set the time limit of 2 minutes and the winner whoever matches maximum slogans with the freedom fighters name will be the winner. Activity number 2, identify the movie. In this game, participants have to write maximum correct movie names against each patriotic songs. For playing this game, show and share the page to the participants. Now ask them to write the correct movie name against each patriotic songs. This is how you can share. Movie names are also given in the page. To create more fun and confusion, set the time limit of 2 minutes. Activity number 3, flag making competition. For this, give the instruction to use drawing sheets, green, white and orange, glaze papers or drawing colors, glue, scissors and drinking straws for flag poles. Divide the class in 4 groups. Every group has to make flags as many as they can and display them in plastic, glass when it complete. Give the time limit of 20 minutes and the winner will be one group who make maximum number of flags. Activity number 4, Republic Day Antakshari. For playing this game, announce few days before in class and divide the class in 4 groups so that it enhances the group interaction between each members. Do instruct the class they must sing patriotic songs or the songs from Bollywood movies, and you select the few words in between from the songs like Watan, Sare Jahan Se Acha, Teri Mitti, Hausla, Jai Ho and many others, and give a time frame of 10 seconds. If one group is failed to sing within that time frame, pass it on to the other group. I must say that this game is perfect and suitable for the senior students and adult. Activities number 5, complete the names. To play these games, you have to write the first letter of our national leaders or the freedom fighters like M for Mahatma Gandhi, S for Subhash Chandra Bose, B for Bhagat Singh, and frequently repeat the letters so that it creates fun and confusion too, and set a time limit of 2 minutes and share the page in the class. Those who are able to write the number of freedom fighters names within that time frame will be the winner. Activities number 6, Republic Day quiz. An interesting quiz for Republic Day can be played with kids as well as seniors. For this, write 20 questions on a paper without answers. The sample question for Republic Day you can easily download through Google according to the classes and share it in the class. Set the time limit of 4 or 5 minutes and the one who complete first will be the winner. So this type of craft activity enhance the importance of Republic Day. Through this type of activities, the students learn about our country and also develop respect and affection for it. And it builds a good bonding between teachers and students. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. Goodbye.